Now in this lecture I'm going to solve one problem on network theory which came in GATE 2017 in morning session. So the question is like this: in the circuit shown, the positive angular frequency omega at which the magnitude of the phase difference between V1 and V2 equals pi by 4 radian. That means we have to find V1 and V2 and we have to define what is the phase difference between these two signals. So to solve this type of problems, so we have to go for the phasor analysis. That is, this cos omega t will be replaced by in phasor domain 100 angle 0, right? And this 1 ohm resistance is like this, but this 1 Henry, it will become j omega L. L is 1 Henry, so this will become j into 1, so it will be j ohms. So anyway, this is also resistance. Now to solve this one, I will go like this. So if I take it this is I of t. So V1 is equal to, or V1 of t is equal to I of t into this 1 ohm. So this I of t we have to represent with the phasor domain. That is, if I of t is equal to some Im into angle theta, right? This is 1. Now if I find V2 of t, this is a series network, so this I of t is flowing in this also. So this is I of t into the impedance is 1 plus j omega, because this is omega L, right? So this should be j into omega. So this is 1 plus j omega. Now how can I replace this one? So this is the I of t as Im angle theta into, so if I find this magnitude is 1 plus omega square, angle is tan inverse imaginary part by real part, so that is omega. Now this is V2 of t. Now what is the phase difference between these two? That is, see, I can write this is Im square root of 1 plus omega square into theta plus tan inverse omega. Now what is the phase difference? Phase difference is nothing but theta plus tan inverse omega, that is V1 is theta, so theta minus theta plus tan inverse omega should be pi by 4, right? So this will become minus tan inverse omega is equal to pi by 4. But in the question he mentioned at which the magnitude of the phase difference. So magnitude means we have to take the mod. So minus is become plus only. So tan inverse omega is equal to omega by pi by 4. So what is omega? Tan pi by 4. That is tan 45 degrees is nothing but 1. So omega is equal to 1. So remember, we have to take magnitude because in the question he mentioned the magnitude of phase difference between V1 and V2, right? So this is how to do this problem.